Okay, this is another classic vintage Kenmore. It's a model 1207. It's one of the heavy-duty all-metal monsters, about 40 pounds. Easy to use, very user-friendly. It's a basic straight ZIGZAG blind stitch machine. Blind stitch is turned on by the little knob on the top. You can do creative embroidery. Oh, sorry, kicked the tripod there. Using the spring-loaded stitch width. This locks your width in place. This is your stitch length and your reverse. This is your feed dog drop, and this is your power switch. Very, very clean machine. It's very nice. Lots of shine. A little paint wear there on the very edge, and that's because I found it in the cabinet and it actually wasn't in the cabinet correctly, so it was rubbing the paint off the edge. It's a low shank machine. It uses standard class 15 bobbins and 15x1 needles, both found anywhere as easy as Walmart. Comes with a little box with a few goodies in it, not many. Matching screwdrivers, some bobbins, some needles, the original fabric sample from the store, zipper foot, and it comes with original instruction manual. Very, very nice machine, and this is one of the very few Kenmores that will fit into a Kenmore carrying case or a Singer carrying case or cabinet, which are much more common and easy to find than a Kenmore case or cabinet. And I say that because Singer cabinets are usually everywhere, and most carrying cases, even the universals that you see brand new in the store, are geared towards a Singer dimension bed, and this one does have that. So that's cool. Very smooth machine. 1 amp. As I said, it's all metal, of course. This is very nice and very popular for upholstery work and things like that because it's just a very simple beast of a machine. Nice zigzag, smooth. Tabletop ready if you don't have a cabinet or a case to put it in right now. And let's do a blind stitch. You have to have it on 0 width. Turn a blind stitch on. There's your blind stitch. Now creative embroidery is where you leave your stitch width set at 0. You pull on your length really short, and you change your width while you stitch, like so. I'm making it wider, narrow, wide, and narrow, wide, and narrow, and I'm making designs. Pyramid designs. You will get these fabric samples. 5 layers of denim. No hesitation, no challenge, no balking, just trudges right through. Not many machines will go through 5 layers of denim with a perfect stitch. This is 5 layers of a woven upholstery with a rubber backing. Very nice stitch. And this is like a very, very stiff cotton. I'm not even exactly sure what it is. But it still pierces through it. Very clean machine underneath too. It's just serviced. It's ready to go. 2 layers of suede leather. Get it going. Very nice on that. And that is the Kenmore 1207 Vintage Heavy Duty Sewing Machine.